So, welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. I want to thank all those who have subscribed to this channel, and I want to give a shout out to all those who have tried out the Simple Vegan Recipes. So, today we're going to do a pinto corn avocado salad. Now, the fall is upon us, the leaves are starting to fall off the trees, and this is my favorite time of the year. So, we're going to bring in some color into the season by doing this pinto corn avocado salad. So let's get started with this simple recipe. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of corn, some cilantro, 1 avocado, half a cup of cherry tomatoes we're going to cut in halves, 1 cup of pinto beans. Now we're not going to use the full can of the pinto beans, just 1 cup, and we're going to drain and rinse it. And for the dressing, we're going to use a sprinkle of turmeric, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil. So let's start putting those ingredients into the bowl. Okay, so we're all done. Look how colorful this looks. We have the avocado in here, the cherry tomatoes, the pinto beans, the cilantro, and we're gonna add the dressing in there. We're gonna start with our black pepper. So just a sprinkle of black pepper in there. A sprinkle of salt. A sprinkle of turmeric, and we're going to add our lemon juice in there. And just a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to mix this together. Looks really good. Okay, so as I always do, encourage you to give those recipes a try, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.